A guide to the component inside my computer. Hello and welcome you all. We're gonna show you what the major components inside your computer are. Step 1. Major components. The major components in CPU cabinet are motherboard, CPU, central processing unit, RAM, random access memory, graphics card, power supply, hard disk drive, optical drive. Step 2. Hardware and software. All of these components are usually found within the tower of the desktop computer. They are referred to as hardware. Hardware is actually a physical component of the computer, and software refers to the program and system which operate within the hardware. Step 3. Motherboard. Motherboard is the heart of computer. It is the largest and most fundamental component of PC, and every other component is attached to a same way. This is because all the different components use the motherboard to communicate and work with each other. The motherboard has a series of slots, sockets and connectors for attaching the components of the PC. In most cases, memory and accessories, cards and CPU installed directly to the motherboard. The drive and peripherals communicate with the motherboard through wired connection. There are wide range of motherboards to choose from with different features, speed, capacity and CPU support. The also different size, shape and layer. These are commonly known as form factor. Step 4. CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of computer. It is also referred as processor of chip. This is found under the heatsink and fan and stick directly on the motherboard. CPU direct codes and communicate with all the components and perform all of the thinking. It is not really thinking. What a CPU actually does? Perform the mathematical calculations. It is the software people write and translate its calculation into useful functions to use. Step 5. RAM stand for Random Access Memory. It is also found directly on the motherboard and usually in 1 to 4 slots. The memory chip store information temporarily for short-term use by the CPU. RAM is used to store information for files were actually used by the CPU with any given time. The computer RAM memory is completely different from hard disk memory. The hard disk store information permanently for long-term use. Step 6. Graphics card or video card. Translate information to the graphics and thus it appears on the monitor screen. Most motherboards now includes a slot specifically designed to the graphics adapter called the AGP slot. It stands for Advanced Graphics Port. Modern graphics adapters usually incorporate some memory right on the card to improve the performance. Step 7. Power supply. This supply power to the other components, which is why it is having so much wires. It is usually positioned at the back top corner of the computer case. The power supply has fan built into it to keep itself and computer cool. Step 8. Hard disk or hard drive. Hard drive is much like a file cabinet. The programs and data are stored in the hard disk and the computer access when they are needed. When the computer accesses the hard drive, which is reading and moving the stored information into the RAM memory. That memory is temporary workspace. However, the original file is still in the hard disk and it is left disturbed into the file is saved. When the computer store or save information, it writes a data to hard disk. Step 9. Optical drive, DVD drive or CD drive. It sits in the front of computer for ease of access and use a laser to read and write information to CDs and DVDs. Done. Thank you. Like and subscribe.